Hi, welcome back to our class, that is Atoms and Molecules part 6. In the previous video we have learnt what are the symbols of atoms or elements, and in this class we are going to know about the atomic mass. See, what is atomic mass? The atomic mass, it is actually the mass or average mass of an atom. Mass or average mass of an atom is known as the atomic mass. But how the atomic mass was determined initially and all the story we are going to see now. That is, according to John Dalton, every atom has its own or specific atomic mass value. And atomic mass values are very small. Students, why they may be small? Because the atoms are extremely small. That is the reason the atomic mass value is also very small. And how the scientists could find the atomic mass values? See, today well developed technique, that is mass spectrometry. It is a method to determine the atomic mass values. That is, the mass spectrometry is available today. But earlier this much equipment were not there. Then how could they find out the atomic mass values? That is, a method was there, that was the relative atomic masses method. In this method they have taken a standard reference. For example, any atom, its mass is taken as the standard reference, and according to that, relatively the atomic masses of all the atoms are founded. Here the relative atomic masses, they are calculated by taking a standard reference, and in this method the laws of chemical combinations are involved. And for this atomic mass, one unit is assigned. That unit is known as what? That is the atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. It is shortcut as AMU. A for atomic, M for mass, U for unit. But this AMU is changed as U after some days. That is, U is unified mass. U refers unified mass. See, it is due to the recommendation of IUPAC. What is IUPAC? IUPAC is the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. According to this organization's recommendation, the AMU is replaced as U. Okay, AMU means what? Atomic mass unit, and U means what? Unified mass. See, the scientists, what is their task then? They have one method. They thought that the relative atomic masses method, by using that method, they can find out the atomic masses. For that, they want one atom as the standard reference. So, first they tried oxygen 16 as the standard reference. But practically they got some trouble in using that as a standard reference. Why? Why? Because the oxygen, it reacted with so many other elements or atoms and formed compounds. That is the reason oxygen is not used satisfactorily. And the scientists again thought, and finally in the year 1961, the scientists accepted to take carbon 12 as the standard reference. Okay. Now all of you take the screenshot of the board. Have you taken? Now let us see how the carbon 12 is used as the standard reference to find out the atomic masses by relative atomic masses method. So after some years in 1961, carbon 12 was accepted by the scientists to take as the standard reference, and they have assigned one AMU as the 1/12 the mass of one atom of carbon 12 isotope. AMU means what? One atomic mass unit is equal to, it is the 1/12 the mass of one carbon 12 isotope, one atom of carbon 12 isotope. Then after this, they, according to this carbon 12 mass, according to this AMU, they have found the relative atomic masses of all other elements or atoms. And what we are using the atomic mass na, in the starting only I have told you that atomic mass means simply it is the mass of an atom, or average mass of an atom. Why we are using the term average? Because the atoms, some atoms or some elements, they exist in more than one isotopic forms. That is the reason the atomic mass is the average atomic mass. And some examples let you know what are the atomic mass values of atoms. Some examples are, suppose hydrogen is there, its atomic mass is 1. One unified mass we can say, otherwise one AMU also we can say. Here carbon 12 is the atomic mass, nitrogen 14, oxygen 16, sodium 23, magnesium 24, sulfur 32, chlorine 35.5 and calcium 40. These are some examples given. So students, I hope you understood well about the atomic mass in this class. Finally, what is the atomic mass? It is the mass of an atom, or it is the average mass of an atom. And one more thing is there, the atomic mass will be equal to the sum of mass of all the protons and neutrons present in the nucleus. This is also one thing, but you don't know the concept of nucleus. In further classes we will get. So this is our class, today's class children. I hope you understood well. All of you take the screenshot of the board. Okay children, we will meet in the next class. In the next class we will see the molecular mass. Thank you all of you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.